Now that you've logged into Dynamis, you will be at your agency's homepage. All right, you can see the name of the agency up here. You can always click this to get back to your screen. Now, you'll notice that we have employers divided into prospective client and existing client. It's just two different buckets to store our employers as, and we can move them back and forth as we need to. All right, we'll also see a link here for the agency plan database. We'll be talking about the agency plan database as we go through these tutorials, but that's where we can load plans, medical and RX plans, so that as a convenience, you can pull those plans down from your library. We would use that agency plan database link for those authorized to enter plans into your agency library. So the first step is really to create a new employer. So for our sample employer, we're going to suggest that you use a name that includes your name so that as we have other people building out these samples, that you'll be able to distinguish which one is yours. Now we're going to have you build your sample employer as a prospective client. So since we're adding a new employer, we're going to click on the green Add New button. All right, once I click on Add New, I'm going to enter in an employer name. So I'm just going to call this XYZ Manufacturing. All right, and the idea is, again, try and incorporate your name so that we don't have three XYZ Manufacturings being created. You'll notice we can put in city, state, contact, but the only required field is going to be that employer name. So once we have that employer name in, I'm going to go ahead and click Create and Open, since this is an employer I want to work with right away.